Hello everybody, this is Kevin Murphy from Baselines Incorporated, and today I'm going to show you how to install the DSX Files web application into Websphere Liberty. I'm using Ubuntu Linux right now, but this should work on any Websphere Liberty install that you've got. I have not tested this on Windows, but in theory, should all work. So the first thing here, I am in my server. You can see I'm in my Jazz Team server directory. My server is not running. Okay, so Jazz, Doors Next, all of that, not running. And so what I want to do is I want to copy the dsxfiles.war.zip that I've downloaded from baselinesinc.com. I want to put that where it belongs so that Liberty knows all about it. So there's two steps of the process. So again, just to show you, I've got the dsxfiles.war.zip in my root folder. So now, and let's see, Liberty. So I'll go into my Liberty directory and I'll go into CLM here, apps. Okay, so right here, the very first thing I'm going to do is copy the DSX files war.zip into this directory, right? And you can see it's there. And then what I want to do is unzip it like so. Okay, that's step one, nothing else to do. Let's go back. We then have to do, for step two, we have to tell Liberty that that exists now. Okay, and this is really easy to do. So under the conf folder, here's my install. There's a file called application.xml. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the very end of this file. Okay, and I'm going to take these last two lines and I'm going to copy and paste them. Okay. And then what I need to do is set these as follows. Now, you can use any context root that you want. It just cannot be the same as the ID or the name. So for the ID, I put in the DSX files. The context root is TDF, or the DSX files. Name is the DSX files. And then I need to also change this. Okay. Now, this tells Liberty, hey, if they go to /TDF, if a user goes to /TDF, load the DSX files application. That's what it's saying. If you are using Liberty with a reverse proxy in front of it, if you're doing this in production, you will need to add the appropriate entry to your reverse proxy. That's likely IBM HTTP server or Nginx, whatever you're using. You want to put, if you've got it reverse proxy, you have to put that in. Otherwise, this isn't going to work. The other thing, too, is that because this application, it's looking at the temporary directory of the server that has Doors Next Gen on it, it has to be on the same server. The DSX files must be on the same server as Doors Next. If you put them on different servers, it's not going to work. I mean, the application will run, but it won't do what you need it to do. So I'm going to save that, and off we go. Okay. So let me go back up a few directories. One more. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll do this server startup. We will start up Websphere Liberty. Okay. Well, Liberty is up and running, and we will verify that by visiting the root page. Okay. Now, I've already said that if you go to this /TDF, it should work. We can test it now. And this is what we've got. We've got the DSX files logo. We've got an about button. So everything looks like it's working. There is a single DSX file in this directory, which is great. I can see down here what the temporary file folder is, what our directory is. That's great. So this is working. Wonderful. But what I like to show is that it actually does work. So it can see a new DSX file that Doors Next Gen generates. So what I will do is I will log into Doors Next. I'm going my server just going. This is all local. And I will go to see my modules here. And here's my requirements for my DSX file utility. You can see all of the requirements I used. So this is great. Let's go ahead and generate a Okay, so once this is started, it actually generated a DSX file already. So all I've got to do is refresh here and check that out. I've got 2 files here. This is the earlier file. This is the later file. And I can download the file, which I'm not going to do. I don't have RPE on my Mac. And then, but I can also look, I can hit this details and I can see this is the URI, right? This is what we would develop in RPE. This is where we point RPE to. So I can actually copy that to the clipboard, real simple. And in fact, there you go. And I can use this to actually do my report development. It's all right here, okay? If you notice, even though these two are the same module, the same report, the URI is different, okay? This URI might not even work anymore because I did a server restart, okay? So you get this, you just need to generate a new DSX file, no more FTPing, no more copying and pasting across servers. You can do everything right here. You can also get the configuration context link just in case you're doing multiple configurations and you want to see what things look like. So that's it. That's how to install the DSX files. My name is Kevin Murphy. If you want to give us any feedback, please go to www.baselines.inc.com, click the Contact Us link, and send us a message and we will get back to you. Really do hope this utility helps you develop reports faster and better, and thank you for watching.